Hi, welcome to One's Academy. In this video, we will talk about how to create and manage knowledge base with ones.com. Knowledge management is an important part of product development, and its purpose is to align and share key information with team members. Before we get started, let's first review some basic concepts in One's Wiki. In One's Wiki, a page is what we use to document our team's work. All kinds of documents can be managed through wiki pages, including product documentations, meeting minutes, weekly and monthly reports, etc. A space is a collection of related pages. You can customize spaces according to your own needs. For example, you can put all your team's documents in one space. Or you can distinguish spaces by projects, which means you can use one space to manage all the documents related to a certain project. Next, we will talk about how to use One's Wiki to manage knowledge base. The first key part is the organization of knowledge and information, which means to build a systematic knowledge base with documentations of business materials and project assets of your team. When you go to the homepage of One's Wiki, you will see the Wiki Overview page. It displays the widgets of your recently viewed pages, recently updated pages, and recent spaces. And you can edit the widgets according to your needs. Ones.com supports setting the permission rules for creating spaces. And this permission is usually configured by the One's Wiki admin for the managers of departments or projects. After obtaining the permission to create spaces, you can go to the Spaces tab to create spaces. In addition to directly creating spaces on the Ones.com system, you can also duplicate existing spaces or import spaces from Confluence. When there are tons of spaces to be managed, it is difficult for the managers to find a certain space. Then you can use the Category feature to divide spaces into different groups. For example, you can group spaces by departments or projects. Before starting to organize your spaces, you can go to the Space Settings page to configure the settings of the space, including permissions, notifications, templates, trash, etc. After the configuration is done, you can start to create content of the spaces. As you can see, every space has a home page, which cannot be moved or deleted. You can write the description about the space on the home page. You can click the Create button to directly create a new page. And when creating content of pages, you can use multiple templates provided by One's Wiki to boost your team efficiency. Besides the system templates that you can find on One's Wiki, you can also customize your own templates. You can manage space templates in Space Settings, Space Templates, and those templates will only be used for pages within the certain space. You can also create templates that can be used for all spaces in the global settings of One's Wiki in Configuration. If your team has already documented your work with other tools, One's Wiki also supports importing doc or docx files or importing pages from Confluence. One's Wiki is equipped with a powerful editor that supports not only text editing, but also inserting various content, including mind maps, audios, videos, web pages, and etc. One's Wiki also supports document collaboration, which allows multiple members to work on a single page at the same time. Through the powerful editor and document collaboration abilities, One's Wiki is the workspace where your team can align knowledge and collaboration. As your team creates pages, all the pages within a space will be organized in the page tree on the left sidebar. Users can manage the page tree by changing the order of the pages to make the tree structure more clear. You can quickly manage the pages in the page tree, such as create, import, rename, and move pages. The next part we will talk about is knowledge sharing. You can use the search feature in One's Wiki to find or locate a certain page among tons of them. You can either search for page titles in the left sidebar or search for page content in the search bar on the top right corner. When you need to share a page with team members, you can use the Share Page button to do so. or you can export the pages to local files to share them. If there is something that you are focusing on, you can watch the pages to get notifications about the page updates and track the page changing in real time. In the last part, we will talk about the knowledge and information security. In order to ensure the stability of the content and prevent accidental modification and deletion, One's Wiki provides the historical version view and rollback function, which allows users to view and restore the historical modification records, eliminating the potential loss of content that may be caused by the misuse of different members. The spaces are usually public for all members within departments or projects. If you need to limit the access of some pages, you can use the encryption feature to control the permission of viewing or editing pages. I hope this video can give you a better understanding of how to manage knowledge base with ones.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@ones.com. See you next time.